Let's review rude, mean, and bullying behaviors, because everything isn't bullying. Rude. Accidentally saying or doing something that hurts feelings or embarrasses someone. Also, inconsiderate, thoughtless, unplanned behavior, bad manners, just thinking about yourself. These things are not meant to actually hurt anyone. Examples could be burping, coughing, sneezing, bragging, cutting in line. Just remember that rude behavior is not acceptable, but it is not done on purpose. Mean behaviors. Saying or doing something on purpose to hurt someone, maybe once or twice. Sometimes said in anger to make someone else look bad. We usually feel regret later. So, mean behavior is purposeful. You are targeting a specific person or a group of people, and what you're saying or doing is something you say or do to intend to offend or hurt someone else, like criticizing or making fun of someone's clothes, their looks, how smart they are, the color of their skin, their language, breaking, or stealing other people's belongings. Those are all mean behaviors. Mean behaviors are not acceptable. Mean behaviors should be reported to a trusted adult immediately. We want these behaviors to stop before they reach the level of bullying. Bullying is behavior that's on purpose. There's a pattern. It's repeated over time, and it involves an imbalance of power. Remember, bullying is on purpose, there's a pattern, and there's an imbalance of power. There's 4 types of bullying: physical, verbal, friendship, and cyberbullying. Why does this matter? In the United States, more than 20% of students report being bullied. That's more than 1 of every 5 students. Students who are bullied are often scared to go to school. It is every student's right to feel safe and be safe in school. Students who are bullied may have lower self-esteem, less self-confidence, increased fear and anxiety, more depression, lower grades, and even suicidal thoughts. There are 3 potential roles in a bullying situation: the targets or victims. This is the individual whom the behavior is directed. The perpetrator, or the one who's bullying. They're the ones that are directing the behavior. And then we have witnesses. But even in witnesses, there are 2 types of witnesses: upstander, someone who stands up for the person who's being bullied, and a bystander, someone who just watches it and does nothing. What to do in the moment. You have a few options. Ignore the bully. Pretend you didn't hear them. Don't even look at them. Don't cry, get angry, or show that you're upset. That's the bully's goal. Don't give him or her the satisfaction. Even if you're feeling really hurt, try not to let it show. If you can, turn a comment into a joke. Example, your bully says, "Stupid outfit." You can say, "Thanks, I'm glad you noticed." And always remember, you can turn and walk away. Remove yourself from the situation. Go to a place where there is an adult present. And no matter which way that you choose to handle the situation in the moment, your next step is going to the nearest adult and explaining the situation. If you're being bullied again and again, there's one most important thing you must do: talk to an adult. Start with your parents. It's not tattling or being a snitch. It's asking the people who love you to give you help when you really need it. If you feel you can't talk to your parents or other family members, talk to another trusted adult, like a teacher, the principal, the counselor, or someone at your church. If you feel you can't talk to anyone, try writing a letter about what's happening. Give it to an adult you trust. What if you witness bullying? Think about what can happen to someone as a result of being bullied. They're feeling alone, believing no one cares, questioning whom they can even trust. Think about how powerful it would be for someone who feels all alone to have another person reach out to them, especially someone their own age who understands what they might be feeling and shows that they care. That person can be you. What if you are the bully? What's so great about hurting someone? Teasing, tripping, punching, kicking, excluding, leaving out, ignoring. It really says more about you than it does them. Know that bullying is about behavior, and you can change behavior. Steps to take: talk with a trusted adult, someone at school or at home. Share what's going on and ask for advice and help. Remember, self-control. It's the ability to stop and think before making a choice. Stop, think. What could happen, and is this what you want? You can't control anyone else, but you can control yourself. If you witness a bullying incident or a harassment incident and would like to report it, there is an online form on the school website. Our principal, Ms. Miller, and our assistant principal, Mr. Eddington, are required to give due process to all students. This means that they must gather facts from both the alleged victim and the alleged bully, as well as witnesses in an investigation and evaluating the truthfulness of harassment claims and determining disciplinary measures. We have zero tolerance to bullying at our school. Our form, you go to the school website, click menu, and then the bullying report form is under quick links. Complete the form, and when you submit it, what you turned in will be investigated. So again, remember, rude, mean, and bullying behaviors. Rude, it was an accident. Mean, it was purposeful. Bullying, it has to be purposeful. There has to be a pattern where it happens multiple times, and there has to be a shift in power. If you ever need help, please reach out to a trusted adult.